In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a pop-up filter and a pop-up sort button. This is data that I downloaded years ago from the internet on car data. So let's try the filter button. So you click this button and then you get the filter coming up. I am going to select the car as the field that I'm searching by, and I would like to type in, I would like all the Fords to come up. So I'm going to type in Ford, and then I'm going to put a star, which is Shift 8, or it's on your Never keypad, and that's a wildcard saying anything that starts with Ford. And so I click the filter button, and there you have all the things that start with Ford. Okay, so let's reset the data, and let's go and let's select the origin. That's the field I'm going to go by. And then I'm going to type in Japan. And now I'm going to click on the filter button. And there you have all the cars that are built in Japan. So I'm going to reset the data. And then let's go and let's try our sort button. So once again, you select the field. And so let's sort by the number of cylinders. So I'm going to move this off to the side, and I'm going to go sort. There we have 3, 4. They're all sorted in that direction. So let me show you how I did both of these. So this is my sort user form, and I just have some text at this top here, select the field to filter. And this one here is a combo box, and that would appear on your toolbox as this one. And now if you scroll down on this, I'm telling it where to select the data. And so we go to row source. Row source is head G. And so let me show you how I did this. Let's go back to our sheet here. Now what I did is I selected all of these fields here. Now if I had just named this field, then we would only have car and vertical data as opposed to horizontal. And I went Control C, and then I went to sheet 2, and so I'll just push it over here. When I select paste, I am going to select this one so it transposes it. And then what I did is I named the range. So this range that I've done previously, I've named it heading, and head with a G in it. When I go back to this, so that is exactly what the row source is. It's the vertical version of the headings. This is just a text box. And so now let's look at the code for filter that I've entered for filter. Range, RNG is a range, filter by, filter column as string, and dim column as long. Filter by, so me combo box is what we've dropped down to select it. Active workbook, sort filters clear, so we're clearing off all the other filters. Then it's setting the range, active sheet, find the column. So when you say car, it's going to look for the column that says car. It's giving the column number for this one. And then you go filter by, and filter by me, which was me in your user form, whatever you've entered in the text box value. Then you have active range. You could have said last row, but I knew that my row was 409. Auto filter, filter criteria, and filter by. For my reset button, what I've done is I've said here, active sheet, show all data, and if auto filter is still on, so if we still have those arrows at the top of the filter, then what you're going to do is turn this off. So now let's go look at my sort form. So this is my sort field form, and once again we've used a combo box, and once again we've used the headings. Let's look at the sort button here, what the criteria is. What we've done here is we're going sort by and me combo box. So that's the values that you have in your head G. And then you're searching the heading row, which is the A3 to I3, and sort by. And so then it's going to just sort by whatever is in that column. And now I've said A4 to I409, and then sort key is a column. How I put the buttons up on on my sheet is I have module, and I have two. I say show user form 1, and then I give, it's important to put the width and the height in here because if you don't, they tend to grow. And then, so what I've done is when I put the buttons on my form, let's go put another button on here. And so I'm going to my toolbox on my developer tab. I'm selecting the form button here, and I'm going to draw it here. And then it's asking me what to link to that, and I say okay. And then if I click on that button, then I get my filter button up. I will, of course, include all the code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.